Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new beer bottle coolers. Now, brand on this item is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall exterior measurements for this item. Starting with the length here, we are looking at an overall length of 95 and 1/4 inches, okay, 95 and 1/4. Now, for the depth, we're looking at a total of 28 inches, 28. Overall height will be 38.5 inches high. Okay, also on the front, we have two areas where you can use for bottle openers, okay? Bottle openers on the front, we have two. And we also have our controller, okay? If you look down below, you have your temperature controller for this item. This is where you can set your temperature, and temperature is also displayed once the unit is on and running. Now, we also have wheels, casters that are going to be installed included for this item, so it makes it easier for you since this is a bigger size item, makes it easier for use. Okay, so that's going to be a demonstration for the front of this beer bottle cooler. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and show you the inside of this beer bottle cooler, starting with the inside measurements. Go ahead and give you the length. Length on the inside, we're looking at 90 inches, 90. Overall height on the inside will be 24.5. And front to back, we're looking at 21 inches, 21. Okay, so those are your inside measurements. You also will be provided with keys. These slide doors do have locks. Okay, so you will be provided with keys. You also have dividers on the inside. You have a total of 5 dividers. And we have a manual booklet. So if you have any questions or having issues using this beer bottle cooler, instructions are in that manual in all the directions. Okay. Lastly, we do have a sticker on the corner where you will be able to see all the specs regarding this unit, as well as circuit diagram, and we have certifications on that same sticker. We also have our fans for the cooling on the inside for this beer bottle cooler. Okay guys, so that's going to be a little demonstration for the inside. Okay guys, now let's go ahead and show you the back. On the back is where we will be able to locate our plug for this beer bottle cooler. It is a standard US plug. Also on the back, we have a sticker on the bottom where you will be able to see the model for this exact item. Okay, so this is the JBC 95-HC. JBC 95-HC. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for the back and overall demonstration for this beer bottle cooler. Now, if you're interested in one of these items, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this model. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.